Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Superb. So I am Miss Urvi and now let's do one worksheet. Help the bird to find its nest. So in this worksheet we are supposed to help this bird to find its nest. So let's get started. First up, then left, again up, then right, then up, then left, then down, right, down, left, down, then left, again down, and now right, then down, again left, up, left, up, right, then up, then right, left, then down, then right, then down, then left, then down, and then left, and then up. So this way we have done this worksheet. All right everyone, thank you.